Welcome to this Delft Stack tutorial video. In today's tutorial, we will learn how to create a class diagram in draw.io. Class diagrams help represent the structure of object-oriented systems, showing classes, attributes, methods, and relationships. First, open draw.io, go to the left-hand panel and click on More Shapes to access additional shape libraries. Scroll down to Software, make sure UML 2.5 and UML are toggled on, then click Apply. After applying, the UML shapes will appear in the left-hand panel, so click the drop-down to view them. Drag and drop the class components you want onto the canvas and use connectors to connect them. For faster setup, you can also use templates. Go to the top menu and click on the plus icon, then click Templates. Browse the categories and search for class diagram, then click the class diagram template and click Insert. You can further customize the diagram by adding shapes from the UML library and editing class names, attributes, and methods. And that's it. We just learned how to enable UML shape libraries, use class shapes and connectors, and use templates to create class diagrams in draw.io. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out the next Delft Stack tutorial video.